Okay, so I'm about to start my pallet project, and we're gonna start here at Home Depot. So, on the floor, I'm currently looking for furniture feet. And here they are. We're gonna find some good cheap ones. Okay, so the next part, we're looking for a carpet runner that I can put on top. So I have two options now. It's these two. Okay, so I finally decided it's gonna be the shag rugs. Ready. I'm project ready. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm currently just painting the side of the pallets white, and I'm not doing the rest, or I'm not really painting the rest just because, I'll just show you, because first of all, it's going to be covered by my mattress, and I'm going to put some carpet over top. So that's what I'm doing. Finally finished painting the sides, and I am putting on the legs. I'm gonna film it, but keep in mind I am definitely not a professional, so I'm probably doing everything wrong, but here it is anyways. So I finally finished everything, and here's a little sneak peek before I add anything else. I attached all the legs, and I'm just waiting for everything to dry.